For number 14, we are going to solve this quadratic equation. We have 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. And usually to solve a quadratic equation, we should try to do it by factoring first. But then, if we open two parentheses and try all the combinations, unfortunately, this doesn't work. And another hint that we know this is not factorable is we can take a look at the answer choices. They all have a square root number, so we know this is not factorable. So, to solve a quadratic equation where this is not factorable, we have to use our secret weapon, the quadratic formula. It says if we have a quadratic equation in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the x value is given by this formula right here. As we can see, we do have the ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. So we know a is the number in front of the x squared, which is 2 right here, and then the b value is negative 3, and the c value is negative 1. And now what we have to do is plug in all these numbers into the formula and work it out. That's it. So x will be negative b, so let me put down negative, and whenever we see variables, we should open the parentheses, and then we put in the b value, which is negative 3, into these parentheses, and then we continue. We have the plus minus, and we open the square root. We have the b squared, so let me open the parentheses first, and then the b value is once again negative 3. So putting the negative 3 right here, and raise this to the second power, and then we have the minus 4 times the a value and the c value. The a value is 2, so let me put in a 2 right here, and the c value is negative 1, so putting the negative 1 right here for this parentheses, and everything on the top all over the denominator is 2 times a. So let me put on a 2, and the open parentheses, the a value is 2 right here. And this is the setup. Now we just have to work this out. So here we have negative 3. That will give us positive 3. And then we have the plus minus, and then we have this big square root. And then inside right here, we should work this out. Let's take a look of just the inside. And let me just put down the result right here. We see that we have negative 3 in the parentheses raised to a second power, so we have negative 3 times negative 3. That means we have positive 9. And then right here, this is how I like to suggest you guys to do it. We have 4 times 2 times 1. Let's just multiply the numbers together first. 4 times 2 times 1, that will give us 8. Right? 4 times 2 is 8, times 1, that's 8. And then multiply down the sign now. This is negative times another negative, so altogether we have plus. And then inside, this right here is just 9 plus 8, and we know that's equal to 17. So this is the number that we have to plug in into this square root right here. And then all this is over the denominator, which is 2 times 2, and that's equal to 4. And this right here is it. And this is answer choice E. In this question, remember the quadratic formula. That's it.